Who this chick up in here? Looking like Disco Danny Dynamite's dancing with them damn braids.
Excuse me. Hold up. Wait a minute. I need everybody to pay attention because I'm about to tell y'all about lesta velcro braids.
Lesta braids. Lesta braids. Lesta braids. Lesta velcro braids.
Ladies and gentlemen, the latest thing in velcro braids. You just peel them on and peel them off. It's straight up the newest, hippest, hottest thing. Lesta velcro braids. I got 6 myself. Look, you can count them yourself. 1, 2.
Oh my God.
3. 4.
Yo,
5. 6.
Oh my goodness.
6 braids. Lesta velcro braids. Get yourself some. That's right. Look at me put them on and peel them off. Get you some Lesta velcro braids. Sing the song, honey.
Yo, what's up, America? Yeah, I'm the Crackhead Brothers representative. Baby clothes. Economy shrinking, baby. But look here, we got a special thing for y'all today to buy. Y'all wanna buy something? We got what y'all need. Guess what we selling today, y'all? Guess what we selling? Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Hey, I know y'all need some air. Cause everybody breathes. I got air. See this air right here? This prime. This is air. And we 2 of these for $5. 2 for $5. 2 for $5. Yo, if that don't work, we got something else. Not only we gonna give you the air, we got rain, baby. We got rain.